Hi, Mike. What are you doing today?
Hi, Joe. My family and I are going to the lake. We're going to have a picnic.
That sounds like fun.
Do you want to join us?
May I? I would love to join.
Sure. We are leaving at 10:30.
Okay, let me ask my parents. What should I bring?
You should pack swim trunks and a life jacket.
Okay, how about food?
My parents are going to pack some food. There will be plenty for you too.
Thanks. I'll be back as soon as possible.
Try to come back before 10:30.
I will. If I can't go, I will call you.
I hope you can come with us.
Me too. I have no plans today.
See you soon.
I hope so.